time may not be on your side when waiting to find out if you may have contracted the coronavirus, but now getting results for your COVID-19 test could be quicker depending on where you go to get the test. In Yellowstone County, the wait time to get a result is as long as 7 days through the county health department. But as MTN's Andrea Lutz explains, there's a test with results ready in 24 hours and it's free.
Say you're feeling a little under the weather. Immediately you think, could this be it? Do I have COVID?
You know, I don't think that we're quite done with this epidemic yet.
So you call into work, get tested, quarantine, and wait for those results to come back.
And that's had a big impact on a lot of people that need to travel, people that want to go see their families.
But in Billings, there's a faster way. Here at Yellowstone Pathology Institute, a private practice housed inside St. Vincent Healthcare, hundreds of COVID-19 test samples are coming in daily, with results going back out in hours.
Being that we are experienced in laboratory testing, that is our shtick, if you will, we said, why not? Why couldn't we try to do this right here locally?
Months back, when testing was limited because supply was at capacity, Yellowstone Pathology decided to build their own COVID-19 test.
Our test is a PCR-based test, so we're looking for the RNA in the virus.
Bonnie Flanagan works directly with the samples.
We are one of the first labs that was able to get the turnaround time that they needed.
These tests are considered the gold standard.
Right now, it has the highest performance characteristics that you see for tests on the market.
We just saw so much unmet need.
As Dr. Angela Durden explains, it's the waiting for results that's crippling for many.
You know, it's easy to send your test off and then, you know, suddenly you're waiting a week because, you know, once your sample arrives in some lab in North Carolina, they pretty much tell you get in line.
At first, these samples coming from doctors' offices, referrals, but the need in our community is so much greater.
I think this test was born partially out of frustration because you know, the lack of testing impacted us as well. I mean, we also have a workforce in our laboratory, and we also have people that we have to look out for.
Allowing the test to help you and me as soon as sickness strikes.
I look at it as the light at the end of the tunnel.
In Billings, Andrea Lutz, MTN News.
Thanks, Andrea. The COVID-19 test at Yellowstone Pathology is covered by CARES Act dollars. Now anyone can call them to get the 24-hour test, and soon the practice hopes to have a sample collection center at St. Vincent Healthcare. They say that should be coming in the next month or so.